How to make nutrition a part of your daily routine. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have boundless energy and always look and feel great? The secret lies in their daily routines, particularly their diet. Nutrition is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle, and it's essential to make it a part of your daily routine. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Let's start with breakfast. They say it's the most important meal of the day, and for a good reason. Breakfast provides the energy you need to kickstart your day, and it sets the tone for the rest of your meals. A healthy breakfast should include a balance of protein, whole grains, and fruits or vegetables. Some great options include oatmeal with berries and nuts, a veggie omelette with whole grain toast, or a smoothie with spinach, banana, and peanut butter. Next up, lunch. This midday meal is crucial to keep your energy levels up and prevent that afternoon slump. A healthy lunch should include a balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Some great options include a salad with grilled chicken, quinoa, and avocado, a turkey and hummus wrap with veggies, or a bowl of lentil soup with whole grain bread. Now, let's talk about snacks. Snacking can be a great way to keep your energy levels up throughout the day, but it's essential to choose healthy options. Some great options include a piece of fruit with nut butter, veggies with hummus, or a handful of nuts and seeds. Finally, dinner. This meal should be a balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, and vegetables. Some great options include grilled salmon with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus, a stir-fry with tofu, brown rice, and veggies, or a turkey chili with a side salad. But nutrition isn't just about what you eat. It's also about how you eat. It's essential to practice mindful eating, which means paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and eating slowly and without distractions. This practice can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. In conclusion, making nutrition a part of your daily routine is essential for a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating healthy meals and snacks, and practicing mindful eating, you can improve your energy levels, feel great, and prevent chronic diseases. So, start today, and make nutrition a priority in your daily routine.